Hello everyone, this is Durgesh Kumar Abbat. Today I'm going to show you a demo of the AI agent which I have created and which is based on the Salesforce application. The name of the agent is Salesforce DataSure AI agent. So this is the AI agent which are going to enforce the data quality and eliminates the or identify the duplicate into the Salesforce lead. So agenda of today's session is going to be we are going to discuss the problem statement, then business value which this AI agent is going to provide, and the AI agent workflow we are going to discuss, and we have some validation rule, and we are also going to see the live demo of the AI agent. Let's start. So talking about the problem statement, firstly, the problem. So this Salesforce application is used by the marketing team, and most of the time productivity is suffered due to invalid and unreachable data into the leads. So most of the time the dummy data is there, which some with dummy phone numbers or dummy email IDs, which is kind of not reachable details which are there into the Salesforce, which is a CRM application, and that cause the productivity loss. And due to this incomplete data into the CRM, we most of the time marketing team lost the opportunities, or also it slow down the deal cycle. And there are also duplicates. Few customers has many interest into the leads, and that also add the confusion, inefficiency, and poor customer experience. Leadership lack current clear visibility into Salesforce data quality. Currently, there is no such details or fields are there into Salesforce lead, which shows leadership about the quality of the data which is currently stored there. So what changes if this problem is solved? So sales works only on clean and reachable leads once this AI agent is implemented. Duplicates are identified before outreach. CRM data becomes measurable and trusted. Leadership gain visibility into data quality. So this is going to be the benefit from this AI agent, and this will also help my team to also hire the lead to conversion rates. With this with having a good data or clean data there, there is a high chance that these leads are going to be converted into the valid contacts or the long-term contacts on the CRM. Then this will also reduce the CRM data depth, improved sales productivity, and stronger data governance if you implement this agent on the Salesforce. So currently this Salesforce agent is deployed only on the Salesforce lead, but this can be further expanded to contacts, accounts, and some other fields also. We are now going to see a workflow of AI agent. The first stage of this AI agent is fetching the leads from Salesforce using API. Then there is a component AI validation engine, which is going to perform email, phone, and some data validation, identifying data quality and duplicates. So that we are going to see in next slide in detail. Then it identify the scoring of the data that is going to be a data quality score, duplicate score. There is some validation remark and timestamp it is going to calculate from the data. Then once the validated data is ready, it is going to be sent for user review. And once user approves that data, and it is going to be uploaded back to the Salesforce. And whatever the data, validated data we are generating, out of which the charts will be created. Two charts will be created. First one for data quality trend, and second one is for duplicate insight. For the overview of AI validation engine, so there are some, as I said, there are some weightages we have defined while identifying the data quality score. Let's say, for example, in this case, we have first name field, and which has a weightage of 10%. So if first name is invalid, my data quality score will come down by 10. And if last name is also invalid. So for validation, let's say for this particular field, we have a validation like the length of the first name should be more than 1. So like that, there are different validation for each field. But let's say if these two fields are incorrect, the data quality score will come down to 80%. So that's how the weightage calculation works. Then we have phone validation. As I said, every country has its own format. So all the international country codes, domestic codes, everything is going to be handled by this AI validation engine. So we have email validation engine, like it identifies any typo mistakes. Let's say gmail.com is typed as gamil.com, so it is going to add a remark like this is looks like a typo mistake by the user, and this should be the valid email ID. So that's what the observation AI agent will give us. So currently in this particular AI agent, we have just identification of these errors. We don't correct this data because there is a risk involved. But we can have a phase two of it, like enriching that data with some intelligence or some adding some logic behind it. Also not particularly currently, as we are only validating these particular fields, but there we can also expand it to add some more fields which has some business logic behind it, and we can add such business logic to the AI agent and ask them to validate, ask AI agent to validate these fields based on some business logic. So currently there is no business logic we are considering here, but yeah, that can be the scope expansion we can think of. Okay, so next we have back to the data standardization. We casing. The AI agent manages handles the casing of the names. It converts the casing to the sentence case where for last name, first name, company, country, and city field. And duplicate detection also has some weightage criteria. Let's say if the first one, let's say exact email match with another lead, it means the my score should be, the duplicate score should be the 70% in that case. So just like that, the phone number match with another, then lead, then that's going to be the 50% duplicate score. Then first name, last name, email exactly match, then that's going to be the 40%. So that's how the weightage has been decided in this case. Um, okay, so thank you. And we are going to see the demo, live demo of the AI agent now. Before that, I have some in my leads. This is Salesforce, and I'm under the leads tab, and I have some data here, some dummy data, which I intentionally created some wrong email IDs here. Let's say I have some taste.com email IDs, some Gmail mistake, Gmail domain mistake is there, and some invalid phone numbers also. So, so let's see. I have some scenarios I want to cover here, and currently you can see these additional columns: country code, countries, so duplicate score, data quality score, and validation remark, last validated on. These are empty. So once our bot AI agent run will be completed, this field we are expecting it to update. Okay, so let's start. All right. As we can see, data has been fetched from the Salesforce lead, and it has been validated, and it has been further converted to CSV for user review. So here we are on the stage of facilitated user review and consent for validated leads data. So let's see, there should be a request to validate the data. Yeah, as you can see here, there's some user confirmation it is waiting for. And yeah, here it says the validated data file has been stored on the below path, please review. Okay, and we have on C drive we have some data which has been generated. Yeah, we can see here there are some so all these data quality score, duplicate score, validation remarks are updated, and here we can see that duplicate exact email match with this some ID it has given for this particular record, and this is matching. So these two has, if we look at this particular two records, it has the same email ID. So that's the reason it has said that exact email match. Then we have invalid email domain. So in this case, if we see, look at this fourth row, it has the data quality of 100 because it has no other observation. The data is clean, no issues on that. And here we can see invalid email domain, test.com, invalid email domain, gamil.com, and invalid phone format also. So all these phone format, this is not an Indian mobile number format, and it has identified this correctly. It also it's not correct. So this kind of, if city is missing or any kind of validation it misses, it will identify and give us the remark here. Okay, so let's approve this one. So it will be updated back to the Salesforce. And now we are at the stage where validated data is uploaded back to the Salesforce, and now AI agent is generating some charts for data quality score and duplicate score. Okay, so this is data quality score chart, and this is duplicate score chart. All right, and let's validate if our data is updated in on Salesforce. All right, we see all the validation remarked and scores are correctly updated on the Salesforce. Yeah, perfect. Okay, thank you. Hope this session helped you to understand the AI agent capabilities. And as I said, currently the automation is only on the leads, current, but this can be expanded further to uh, um, accounts and contacts as well, or further, or there can be this data standardization and validation on some other portals also. We can do that with this AI agent. Yeah. Thank you. Have a great day.